Hey, do you know what your circadian rhythm has to do with your skin? In this video, you will learn all about how this sleep-wake cycle affects the way your skin looks. Plus, you're going to learn how to make your skin routine keep the rhythm too. Hi, I'm Elaine Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin through skincare trends and clean beauty options. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so what is the circadian rhythm? Let's start with a quick science lesson. Your circadian rhythm is a 24-hour cycle that times your internal clock. It runs constantly as our bodies carry out our essential functions. Often called the sleep-wake cycle, these different systems sync up with the brain, and it's influenced by the things going on outside, the environment, especially light. When it's properly aligned, you are probably getting, like a good night's sleep, and in the morning you feel restored. And if it's not, well, you are probably having trouble sleeping at night. And in the morning, of course, you look a bit tired. And that's not all, you will have some other health problems. One of the biggest things that you may be doing to interfere with this built-in clock of yours is using devices that emit blue light. And you know them, right? Your laptop, tablet, your smartphone are a few examples of blue light emitting items that could be wrecking your natural beat. And not only that, blue light can also cause damage within your skin cells. That is why it's so important to understand why this system matters to your overall skin health. Making your skin routine work with your circadian rhythm. Okay, so maybe you cannot control your schedule right now, but you can use these tips to help you save your skin from getting caught up in the mix. Tip number one is you need to get good quality sleep. Did you need an excuse to stay in bed? Well, let me tell you, now you have one. Listen, your body repairs itself when you are at rest. There is actually a direct link between truncated sleeping patterns and accelerated aging of your skin. Sleep is partly controlled by your melatonin levels, and since those, your melatonin levels peak at night, well, when you are exposed to light after a certain hour, as I mentioned before, well, you are causing your melatonin levels to drop abruptly, seriously, they go down. And when you change your body's natural rhythm and melatonin production levels, you are reducing your body's ability to repair and restore. You don't want to do that. So start with a good night's sleep and start getting I would say between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every night, and try to go to bed every single night at the same time, if you can. Number two, when to apply your skincare product. Well, in a proper skincare routine, you need to remember the golden rule. And what is that? Well, during daylight, you need to protect your skin, while at night, when you go to bed, you need to let it regenerate. That will mean making sure that you, in the morning, apply products that contain SPF, during the day. Even if you are not lounging around under the sun, you have to protect your skin. Meanwhile, at night, the products that you choose go for things that can encourage cell regeneration, after all, your skin will repair itself. That is why children, they have this beautiful, gorgeous skin. Even though some of them, they don't sleep a lot. But anyway, you get the idea. And you can have this beautiful skin too. All that you have to do is, help a little bit your skin with the cell regeneration process, and let it do its, the trick at night. Let your skin do its trick at night. Plus, your skin metabolic rate goes up during the night, while your body metabolic rate goes down. And that means that your skin cells turnover is quickly at night. Okay, and so is the production of new cells. In other words, you are producing more new cells at night if you wish. So if you ask me, it's smart to take advantage of this natural generative process and use some alpha hydroxy acid, like lactic acid, which is derived from milk, or retinol to enhance or encourage your cell turnover, so you can have a smoother, more even tone and glowing skin. By the way, there is a peak time for skin cell renewal. When is that, you ask? I would say that it's around 10 p.m. I would say 11 and midnight, between 10 and midnight. Your skin cells go through the process of cell mitosis, which is cell division. And, at that time, there is like the peak performance. And when your cells get into the process of dividing themselves, they also regenerate, right? Like you are making new cells. You're making a new skin, so to speak. Number 3, never compromise hydration. The next time you feel like slacking on drinking your water or skipping your moisturizing step, just remember that dehydrated skin speeds up cell dysfunction. Listen, you have to come at it at both angles, from the inside and out, to bring moisture balance to your skin. You have to be on all levels, right? You have to play the game on all levels. And at night, this can be especially important because at that time, your skin bloat and your temperature are higher. So that means that your skin becomes more permeable and tends to dehydrate more easily. Also, if you are in the dry, spectrum, your skin may feel more itchy at night. So don't compromise hydration. Number 4, do everything you can to fight inflammation. Listen, inflammation is bad news all around. Your body has an overall clock, but almost every cell in your body has a clock of its own. If things are going well, they are all in sync and you are working perfectly. Everything is in balance.
Vaya folclórico, oye, disculpa la tardanza y los dolores de cabeza.
But when you have inflammation, it can cause this internal clock to become disrupted, right? And when that happens, more inflammatory molecules can be produced, and this will speed up your skin biological clock, and that leads to aging. In fact, did you know this? There is a term for this. It's called inflammaging. I didn't know that. Now you know it. Best daytime ingredients for your circadian rhythm. So in addition to sunscreen, there is something else you should be using to benefit your skin in the morning. What is that? Antioxidants. Antioxidants helps you supplement your skin's natural defenses, and your skin does produce some of its own. But it is important to remember that your skin needs like a bit of help from yourself when you start to move into your 30s and beyond. In other words, what we produce is not enough. So apply them topically to prevent damage and stop free radicals. And an excellent choice is vitamin C. Use just a vitamin C serum. You will see miracles. And I have a video on vitamin C. Best nighttime ingredients for your circadian rhythm. Okay, so daytime protection, nighttime repair. So you will want to apply more of those antioxidants at night. Your skin will have used all its, stores of antioxidants, defending itself all day long. So you need to, give it a push, help your skin at night. Retinol is a good option, right? Like retinol gets a special call out since it will boost your skin's cell turnover. That means that your skin will do some regenerating from within, and you are going to help it with retinol. As said, using AHAs and BHAs, which are commonly called exfoliating acids, this will help you dissolve away, dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. It will increase the repairing process of your skin, okay? You will also get rid of some pigmentation, so you're going to find yourself with a more unified complexion. The last third ingredient that you want to consider in helping your skin, sync with the rhythm is peptides. These help build and repair collagen, the collagen that has been destroyed. Since collagen loss start very early, around in the mid-20s, it's a key ingredient in repairing and fighting aging. Peptides are an ingredient that will help you, pause the anti-aging process, and you will be able to do a bit of rewinding, if I may say so. So the best time to start doing your skincare routine at night is when the sun starts going down, okay? Your skin circadian rhythm means that as the sun goes down, your skin will start repairing itself. You will get the best results from your nighttime routine by timing your routine with the sunset. That's beautiful, actually, right? So basically, your skin and your circadian rhythm are intertwined. By setting a good sleep schedule, keeping hydrated, fighting inflammation, and following the rules of timing, right, to apply your skincare products, you will be able to put your best face forward every single day. Stop using your mobile phone in your bed, and I am guilty of that more often than I would like to. Yeah, I do it too very often. So anyway, try to avoid that. And now what? Go to my website, beautybycode.com, and take the quiz. Leave a comment below, subscribe, like, share, and thank you for being here with me today. I truly appreciate you. Bye for now.